This tutorial review will show you how to add auto captions in CapCut. First of all, open the CapCut app. I'm going to creating a new project and selecting my video, and then tap on text, select auto captions, select your sound source. I'm going to selecting here from video, and now from here you can change your caption language. Tap on start. And as you can see, the caption has been successfully created. And to modify any caption, simply tap on the caption you want to modify, and now you can change or edit your text from here. You can change the font, you can change font style, effects. So this is how we can add auto captions in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.